Have you ever looked at a car and wondered, how did they build that? It's a marvel of modern engineering and design, a symphony of creativity and precision. But the journey of creating a car starts long before it hits the showroom floor. It begins with a spark of an idea, a vision of what could be. Designers, they're like artists, but their canvas is metal and their paintbrushes are tools of innovation. In the design studio, the journey takes its first steps. Designers brainstorm, sketching out their ideas, bringing their visions to life on paper. They imagine the curves, the lines, the feeling a car will evoke. They sculpt clay models, refining their designs, turning abstract concepts into tangible forms. It's a process of constant iteration, of trial and error, of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Every line drawn, every curve shaped, is a step closer to the final vision. They discuss, debate, and refine, ensuring that every detail is perfect. It's about more than just looks. It's about creating an experience, a connection between the car and the driver. They think about how it will drive, how it will feel on the road. Prototypes are built and tested, driven on tracks to see how they perform. Engineers and designers work together, analyzing every aspect of the car's performance. Safety and efficiency are paramount. Crash tests are conducted, wind tunnels are used to test aerodynamics. Every component is scrutinized to ensure it meets the highest standards. From the drawing board to computer screens, the car begins to take shape. Advanced software allows designers to create detailed 3D models, simulating every aspect of the car's design. It's a fusion of creativity and engineering, a collaboration between artists and scientists. Together, they bring the car to life, turning dreams into reality. This is where innovation comes alive. New materials are tested, cutting-edge technology is integrated, all aimed at creating something truly special. The use of advanced materials and technology ensures that the car is not only beautiful but also efficient and safe. It's a blend of form and function, art and science. The dream is becoming a plan, a blueprint for the future. Every detail is meticulously planned, every component carefully considered. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a desire to push boundaries and bring something new into the world. The final product is more than just a car, it's a work of art, a symbol of innovation and creativity. Now we're talking serious business. The approved design gets translated into a language machines understand. Computer-aided design, or CAD, systems create incredibly detailed three-dimensional models. These blueprints guide every step of the manufacturing process. Imagine a giant printer, but instead of ink, it uses steel. These massive presses, they stamp out body panels with incredible force and precision. Each piece is perfectly shaped, ready to become part of the car's skin. Robots move with balletic grace, wielding lasers and welding torches. Sparks fly as the metal skeleton of the car starts to take shape. It's a symphony of technology and human expertise, working in perfect harmony. The separate pieces of the car's body come together. Skilled workers fit them together with incredible accuracy. They're like artisans, using their hands and specialized tools to ensure a perfect match. Welding robots join the panels together, creating a seamless structure. It's amazing to watch the sparks fly as they fuse the metal together. This is where the car truly starts to look like a car. It's a dance between man and machine. The robots provide the muscle, the precision, but it's the human eye, the human touch that guarantees quality. They work together, ensuring every piece fits perfectly. The car's frame is its backbone. It needs to be strong, rigid, able to withstand incredible forces. This is where the real heavy lifting begins. Massive robots move with surprising agility, their arms equipped with welding torches. Sparks shower the factory floor as they fuse the metal together. It's a mesmerizing sight, like watching a fiery ballet. Each weld is crucial, ensuring the car's structural integrity. But it's not just about brute force. Highly skilled welders inspect every joint, ensuring its strength and durability. They're the unsung heroes, the guardians of safety and quality. Their expertise ensures that the car will be safe and reliable for years to come. Section 5. A splash of color, the painting process. Now comes the fun part, adding some personality. The painting process is where the car truly begins to take on its character. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about protection and durability too. The paint job shields the car from the elements, preventing rust and wear over time. The car body gets prepped for its big debut. This preparation is crucial. Any imperfections on the surface can affect the final look. The body is meticulously cleaned to remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the painting process. It's cleaned, sanded, and smoothed to a mirror finish. This step ensures that the paint will have a flawless surface to adhere to. The smoother the surface, the better the paint will look and last. This ensures the paint will adhere perfectly. Adhesion is key to a long-lasting paint job. Without proper adhesion, the paint could peel or chip away, compromising the car's appearance and protection. Then, it's off to the paint shop, a world of vibrant colors and high-tech automation. Here, technology meets artistry. The paint shop is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery that ensures precision and consistency in every coat of paint. Robots apply multiple layers of paint, each one adding depth and shine. These layers are carefully calculated to provide the perfect balance of color and protection. The robots work with incredible accuracy, ensuring that every inch of the car is evenly coated. It's like watching a work of art come to life. The precision and care that go into each layer are akin to an artist painting a masterpiece. Each stroke of paint is deliberate, adding to the car's final beauty. The air is filled with the scent of paint and the hum of machinery. It's a sensory experience that combines the industrial with the artistic. The environment is controlled to ensure optimal conditions for the paint to dry and cure properly. But there's still a human touch involved. Despite the high level of automation, skilled workers play a crucial role in the painting process. They oversee the machines and make adjustments as needed to ensure perfection. Expert painters inspect every inch, ensuring a flawless finish. Their trained eyes can spot even the smallest imperfections that machines might miss. They ensure that the paint job meets the highest standards of quality. They're the artists of the factory, adding the final touches that make each car unique. These final touches can include custom colors or special finishes that give each car its own personality. It's this blend of technology and human craftsmanship that makes the painting process so special. Section 6. The heart of the machine, engine and transmission. The engine, the heart of the car, is assembled with incredible precision. It's a marvel of engineering with hundreds of moving parts working in perfect harmony. Skilled technicians carefully assemble each component. They use specialized tools and their deep knowledge to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. The transmission, the car's gearbox, is equally complex. It ensures the engine's power gets delivered to the wheels smoothly and efficiently. These are the heart surgeons of the automotive world. Their steady hands and keen eyes ensure that the engine and transmission will perform flawlessly. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of mechanical perfection. Section 7. Marriage of mechanics, final assembly. This is the stage where all the individual components come together to form a complete vehicle. This is where it all comes together. The assembly line is a hive of activity, with workers and machines moving in perfect harmony. The painted body meets the chassis, a crucial moment in the assembly process. This union is the foundation of the vehicle's structural integrity. The engine finds its home, nestled into the chassis with precision. This is the heart of the car, providing the power and performance that drivers rely on. It's a carefully choreographed ballet of people and machines. Workers install the dashboard, seats, and other interior components with meticulous attention to detail. Every component, from the smallest screw to the largest panel, has its place. The interior of the car starts to take shape, becoming more recognizable with each passing moment. Each part has its place, its specific purpose. Wires are connected, hoses are attached, bolts are tightened. Every connection is checked and double-checked to ensure reliability and safety. The air is filled with the sounds of industry, a symphony of clangs, whirs, and clicks. These sounds are the heartbeat of the factory, a testament to the hard work and precision involved. A symphony of clangs, whirs, and clicks. Each sound represents a step closer to the final product, a car ready to hit the road. It's a marvel of logistics and teamwork. Every worker knows their role and performs it with precision, ensuring that the assembly line runs smoothly and efficiently. Everyone has a role to play, from the forklift operators who transport parts to the line, to the technicians who ensure that every component is installed correctly, to the quality control inspectors. They work together, meticulously checking each vehicle to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and safety, ensuring that every car that rolls off the line is built to the highest standards. This final assembly process is the culmination of countless hours of work, dedication, and expertise. Section 8. Quality control, the pursuit of perfection. Before any car leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. It's put through its paces on a test track, simulating real-world driving conditions. Every system, every component is checked and double-checked. Expert inspectors scrutinize every detail, looking for even the slightest imperfection. They use advanced diagnostic tools to ensure everything is working perfectly. Only the best make the cut. This is about more than just building cars. It's about building trust, ensuring that every vehicle meets the highest standards of safety, reliability, and performance. It's a commitment to excellence that defines the entire manufacturing process. Section 9. Ready to roll. The open road awaits. Finally, the moment of truth. The finished car rolls off the assembly line, gleaming under the factory lights. It's a testament to human ingenuity, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From a spark of an idea to a tangible reality, the journey is complete. But it's also a beginning. The open road beckons, promising adventure and freedom. This car, born from metal, sweat, and dreams, is ready to take on the world. So, the next time you see a car, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. It's a story of innovation, craftsmanship, and the power of human collaboration. And it all starts with a dream.